How well do you know the respiratory system? Time to find out. What is the respiratory system? The respiratory system transports oxygen from the air we breathe through a system of tubes into our lungs and then diffuses it into the bloodstream, whilst carbon dioxide makes the opposite journey. What is the structure and function of the respiratory system? Passage of air into the lung. What happens as air enters the body? Air enters the body and is warmed as it travels through the mouth and nose. It then enters the trachea. The trachea divides into two bronchi. One bronchus enters each lung. Each bronchus branches out into smaller tubes called bronchioles. Air travels through these bronchioles. At the end of the bronchioles, the air enters one of the many millions of alveoli, where gaseous exchange takes place. What is breathing? Breathing is the term given to the process of taking air into and out of the lungs, the process of inhalation and exhalation. What are two important structures of breathing? Two important structures for breathing are the diaphragm and intercostal muscles. What is the diaphragm? The diaphragm is a sheet of muscle that separates the chest, or thoracic, cavity from the rest of the body. Where are the intercostal muscles? The intercostal muscles are found between the ribs and they control rib movement. What is inspiration? Breathing in. The diaphragm contracts and moves downwards. The intercostal muscles contract and move the ribs upwards and outwards. This increases the size of the chest and decreases the air pressure inside it, which sucks air into the lungs. What happens when exercise begins? When exercise begins, inspiration can be assisted by the pectoral muscles and the sternocleidomastoid, which help to lift the ribs up and out even further. What is expiration? Breathing out. The diaphragm relaxes and moves back to its domed shape. The intercostal muscles relax so the ribs move inwards and downwards under their own weight. This decreases the size of the chest and increases the air pressure in the chest, so air is forced out of the lung. During exercise, this passive process of relaxation becomes active as the abdominal muscles pull the ribs downwards and inwards even further.